Okay, so this one is find all functions for FR to R. So the problem is find all functions FR to R such that f of x plus f of y equals f of x plus y plus f of y for all x and y belongs to set R. So the solution is first we can assume that x and y hold if they're any number, since they can be any number. So we can assume that it will still hold if x is 0. So we can set x to 0. Then we can plug in x equals to 0 into our equation and get f of 0 plus f of y equals f of 0 plus y plus f of y. So this 0 uh, is literally means nothing, so we can entirely remove it. This 0 also means nothing, so we can entirely remove it. So that means we get f of y equals f of y plus f of y. So f of y plus f of y is 2f of y. So that means f of y, f of y equals 2f of y. So then we can let f of y equal to x. So if we plug in x wherever we see f of y for our equation, we get fx equals 2x, because you can see that if you replace this f of y, you get fx. If you replace this fy, you get 2x. So we can verify our answer. So this is the original equation. So we can take out the x from the left side. Since it's a linear function, we can directly do this. We can extract the x from the other side also. Since it's a linear equation, again, we can do this directly. Then these two basically cancel out. Yeah, f of x equals f of x, since they're separate terms. We can cancel them out like that. Then we're left with f of y equals 2f of y again, because it's just these two terms. So then we can assume that if we plug this back into this, if we plug 2 fx equals 2x back into our equation, we get f of 2x equals 2 times 2x. And since f of x is 2x, f is 2, and 2 times 2x is 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2x. And we're done. Any questions? That's very simple.
This is perfect, except that there's a small typo the last pages, I believe. So I think this one should be, this x should be y, right? Because this one is y, but it doesn't matter. Right? This one also should be y. It should be fy equal to 2y, right? If it's x, then 2x. I guess it's just a typo here. So
Oops, let me change it.
yeah, suggest